The injustice of taxation, the plight of the middle class and the poor, in any country or region. Those who truly bear the burden of national taxes are often the middle class and the poor. The wealthier individuals are, the more adept they are at avoiding taxes. It's important to emphasize that not all wealthy people engage in such practices, but there is a portion of affluent individuals who find ways to evade the taxes they should be paying. Taxation is a fundamental requirement for supporting a nation's development and the responsibility of all citizens. However, the middle class and the poor are the ones who truly carry the tax burden. They work hard to earn income and still have to pay taxes while living under government control. If you don't pay your taxes, the government will surely pursue consequences. Meanwhile, the rich have their own methods and channels to avoid paying taxes. Under this framework of government and legal control, the middle class and the poor face an unfair situation. They must pay taxes according to the rules, yet they lack equivalent rights and freedoms. Can you resist? Can you oppose the government and the law? Reality tells us that this is nearly impossible. Therefore, we shouldn't harbor illusions about fairness in society because, under the current system, it is nearly non-existent. What we can do is to conduct ourselves well and live carefully in this world, avoiding crossing that red line, as we cannot bear the consequences. While this unfair tax system causes confusion and anger for the middle class and the poor, we need to find a balance. Adapting and complying with the law is necessary for survival in this environment. Perhaps we should focus more on how to improve our income and quality of life through our own efforts. At the same time, we should raise awareness and discussions around this issue. By participating in social affairs, we can call on the government and policymakers to adopt fairer tax policies. Only then can we gradually improve the current situation and pursue a more just society. Certainly, as ordinary citizens, we should understand tax policies and our associated rights and obligations. By understanding tax laws and relevant policies, we can better protect our own interests. Additionally, understanding tax policies can help us more effectively plan finances and make better decisions for the future. While seeking fairer tax policies, we should focus on how to make the tax system more transparent and equitable. The government should strengthen oversight to ensure everyone pays taxes as required, instead of allowing the wealthy to evade their responsibilities through loopholes. Additionally, the government should adjust tax policies to alleviate the tax burden on the middle class and the poor, enabling them to live and develop better. Education is another crucial aspect. We should promote financial education in schools and communities, helping the younger generation understand the importance of taxation and how to plan finances responsibly. Through such education, young people can better understand the role of taxation and lay a solid foundation for future tax payments and financial planning. In this process, we must not underestimate the role of the media. The media can expose tax evasion and avoidance, urge the government to take action, and call on the public to pay attention to this issue. Media oversight can help promote the transparency and fairness of the tax system. Finally, we should stand united, working together to strive for a fairer tax system. By cooperating with others, participating in community activities, and engaging in dialogue with the government and policymakers, we can contribute to changing the status quo. Although this path may be long and challenging, we must not give up. Only through persistent efforts can we gradually improve the tax system and create a fairer and more equitable society. This is a goal worth striving for by all of us. Are you ready? Are you willing to contribute to this goal?